Just got this from Auntie Peaches. It's supposed to be like some liver. Clean your liver out or something. I don't know if that's upside down or not. Let me see here. Let's see what this is. I should have thought of this a long time ago, people. And no, it's not weed. Okay, it's not weed. It's doggone. Can you read that? Is it upside down? God dang it. It's called Sunny Days Blase something. Okay? And it's kind of for your mood, man. Kind of stuff that's like in jungles all around the world, Africa. And then like Europeans went over there and like made everyone dumb and turned everyone into slaves and plowed over all the natural remedies out there, you know? That's why we're all sick now. Breathing in carbon monoxide. What's this stuff here? This is Auntie Peach's liver and gallbladder cleanse. This is what I really want, folks. This stuff's there supposed to clean out your liver and your gallbladder. And I should have did this like 10 years ago, man. Not too busy drinking, though. Anything else in the bag? Let's see here. Oh. Yeah, go visit these people, man. They're really cool. They will set you straight, folks. Go visit Aunt Peachy's, man. Whatever, I can't hold it straight.